Of the people that I know that look freakishly and unusually young for their age, I cannot get over how many of them have told me that I'm on NAD, and I'm talking about everywhere from a gym to a golf course to a business meeting. And I'm talking about visually, shockingly looking young people, mainly people in their 50s that look like they could be in their 30s. So when you say NAD, do you believe in the IV therapy, or are you speaking specifically about this precursor that you were referencing?
The scientific evidence points to taking a supplement every day, a gram of NMN, which is this precursor, stands for nicotinamide mononucleotide. Just swallowing one of those, or 1,000 milligrams, is enough to double your NAD levels in the bloodstream, and triple it if you take 2 grams. Now, I'm 52, so I'm an average human. I would have half the levels of this NAD molecule than a 20-year-old. So doubling it is the goal for me. So I've been taking a gram of NMN, swallowing it every day. Then the question is, what about the NAD IVs? There's very little data on that.
Yeah.
I would say that I have tried it. It felt fine, especially afterwards. During it, have you tried it?
I have.
Got a little cramping in the tummy area.
It does. Yes. I found that on the IV, and I get a real burning, uncomfortable sensation in my stomach. It's ironic that you say that.
Yeah.
It's exactly my experience. Yeah.
So there's some evidence that it's good for treating addiction, but really no solid scientific evidence that it helps in other ways.